Are you the one who spends most of their time listening to music and are really annoyed by Spotify ads? So luckily, I got you covered. Today's video is about how to get 5 months of Apple Music for free. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Open Safari, create a new tab, click and type in Shazam. As you can see, it shows get up to 5 months of free Apple Music. Click on it. It would ask you for your verification. Click on verify your identity. Now this will give you 2 months of free Apple Music, and if you refer this to your friend, you will get 5 months of Apple Music for free. And if you wish to follow me on Apple Music, that's @Jaiuglani, JAIGUGLANI. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.